What's up, everybody? Doing some maintenance on the Civic today. This is a 2012 Honda Civic EX, and the headlights are a little foggy. I've done this before where you get a kit and you sand it all down, you put stuff on it, and it looked a lot better, but now it's got this, some cloudiness to it that we can see. So I'm not going to do the whole full-blown kit where you use the sander on a drill. But I did get on Amazon, bought this, I don't know how you pronounce this, Meguiars PlastX, and I got the kit that came with the foam applicator and a couple of microfiber cloths. So we're going to see if I can clean up this headlight a little bit, this one and the other. I went ahead and took some painter's tape and I taped around the headlight so that we don't touch the paint at all. But what we're going to do, we're going to put a small amount of this PlastX onto the foam applicator. We're going to put it on, we're going to rub it, and then we'll use a clean microfiber to clean it off before it dries. So let's see if it works. So it comes with one foam applicator, one cloth. Put this much on. I don't know if that's too much or not, but let's see. Just kind of spread it out and start rubbing. So that was our first pass. It looks like it took out quite a bit of it. So doing this part right here. I haven't done out here yet. That is still looking how it was. That is looking quite a bit better. That was just one pass, so give it a second pass. I'm going to try to really focus on the parts I see that are cloudy, and give it kind of a circle motion when I'm buffing it. It's looking a lot better. I'm actually kind of surprised how good that looks. Let's do a third pass for fun. All right, there we go. Just kind of spread it out. Kind of like if you've ever used a buffer, you kind of spread your stuff out and then get going. If you ever buffed a car, waxed it. And this tape was a really good idea because you do get to the outside here, and I would be touching the paint and probably scratching it up if I didn't have it there. So definitely recommend the tape. All right, well, it's definitely not perfect. It's not as good as if you did the kit that you fully sand it down and redo it, but considering how this looked before, I think this looks really good. So for comparison, here's an undone one. Now here's the one that I just did. That looked exactly the same as that other one. Nice and clear and shiny, and nice and foggy and gross. Looks dirty. All right, I just finished up doing the driver's side headlight as well, and it is looking pretty sweet. So this was a nice, quick, easy project that I was able to knock out on the Honda here. So our headlights are looking nice and bright and shiny. Hopefully that'll help with my dim headlights that we've been having in this car. So again, this Meguiar's PlastX, you can get it all over the place. It's available on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description for the one that has this applicator and rag as well. This actually was really handy. The applicator is really great for putting it on the headlight and rubbing it all in, and then you use the microfiber to clear it off before it dries. And then I probably did 4 or 5 runs at both of them, and they're looking a lot better than they were. So highly recommend it. If this video was any help to you, drop me a like, subscribe if you want. Will out.